In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a channel in Discord. If a text or voice channel has disappeared for your members, it's almost always because of its permission settings. In just a minute, I'll walk you through how to reveal it again so the right people can see it. First, make sure you're on the server and that you have the proper privileges to make changes, typically server admin permissions or the ability to manage channels. Open the server, find the channel you want to unhide, and open its settings. On desktop, that's usually the gear icon next to the channel name. Once you're inside the channel settings, go straight to the permissions section. This is where visibility is controlled. In the roles list, select @Everyone, if you want all members to be able to see the channel. The @Everyone role refers to every member of the server who doesn't have a more specific role override. If you only want certain groups to see the channel, choose the specific role instead. Picking the correct role here is important because Discord checks visibility per role and applies the most restrictive setting when there's a conflict. Now look for the permission labeled View Channel. This single setting determines whether the channel is visible in the sidebar for that role. You'll see 3 possible states: allowed, denied, or neutral. Set View Channel to allowed for any role that should see the channel. If it's currently denied, switch it to allowed. If it's neutral and members still can't see the channel, explicitly allow it to remove any doubt. Keep in mind that a deny on a higher priority role will override an allow on a lower one, so make sure the roles that need access don't have a deny set elsewhere. If you're only unhiding the channel for a specific role, allow View Channel for that role and leave @Everyone denied or neutral, depending on your privacy needs. This keeps the channel visible only to the people you intend while maintaining confidentiality for everyone else. When you've made your selection, save your changes. Discord will usually prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and apply the changes. As soon as you do, anyone with a role that has View Channel allowed will see the channel appear in their list. If they still don't see it, double-check that you adjusted the correct role and remember that category-level restrictions can affect channels beneath them. That's it. Open the channel's permissions, select the right role, allow View Channel, and save. With those changes, your channel should be visible to the intended audience right away.